Good morning to you all. Now we are going to study about acid base properties. Um, Unit 7. Okay. Now I am going to give some question. Given below are the several substances which are frequently used in our day-to-day life. Classify them as acid, base and salt and tabulate. Lime juice, Jeevani solution, antacid tablet, milk of magnesia, toothpaste, vinegar, salt, lime, soap, vitamin C tablet, saline solution. You already learned about acid, base and the example, so classify them. Okay. Acids are lime juice, vinegar, vitamin C. Bases are milk of magnesia, toothpaste, soap, lime, antacid tablet. Salt, Jeevani solution, salt, saline solution. Okay. Now we are going to study about what is acid. The examples for acid, hydrochloric acid. The symbol of hydrochloric acid is HCl. And nitric acid, HNO3. And sulfuric acid, H2SO4, are some acids that are often used in laboratory. What is an acid? The acid is a compound that releases hydrogen ions in an aqueous media. For the example, HCl acid release H plus and Cl minus aqueous. Then H2SO4 release H plus SO4 2 minus. Then consider HNO3 release H plus NO3 minus. Hydrogen is a component element in all those acids. Understand? Okay. Now acids are classified as strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid means the acids that release hydrogen ions by complete ionization in aqueous medium are strong acid. Acids release hydrogen ions by complete ionization. Okay. Then given some examples for strong acid, hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3. Okay, then we are going to study about weak acid. Weak acid means the acid which release hydrogen ion in a partial ionization are called weak acid. That means partial ionization. Okay, examples for weak acids are acetic acid, carbonic acid and phosphoric acid. Then we are learning about dilute acids of required concentration can be prepared by mixing concentration acid with water. Acids of low concentration are known as dilute acids. Okay, then we are going to study about properties of acid. Okay, first one is acid have a corrosive properties. Corrosive means the அரிப்பு ஏற்படுற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் வரும். அதான் ஹாரசிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ். acid have a characteristic of sour taste. ஒரு புளிப்பு சுவை உடையதா இருக்கும், அந்த தன்மையா இருக்கும். Dilute acid react with metals above hydrogen in the activity series, forming the salt of the metal and hydrogen gas. Dilute acid react with a metal above the hydrogen in activity series. Activity series la hydrogen க்கு மேலே above இருக்கிற மெட்டல்ஸோட தாக்கித்தான் ஹைட்ரஜன் கேஸையும் அந்த தாக்குற அந்த எலிமெண்ட் சால்ட்டையும் தரும். ஃபார் த எக்ஸாம்பிள், magnesium solid plus 2HCl hydrochloric acid add பண்ணேக்க என்ன given MgCl2 plus H2 gas. Then properties of acid, the production of carbon dioxide by reacting with carbonate or bicarbonate. Example for calcium carbonate solid plus add 2HCl, then release calcium chloride and H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Then acids react with bases to form salts and water. Then acid turn the color of blue litmus as a red. Okay. Then we are going to study about uses of some acid. First one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid symbol HCl. This is used for removal of rust in steel object, then making gelatin from the bony materials in food technology, making aqua regia. Okay, these are the uses of the hydrochloric acid. Then, okay, uses of the sulfuric acid. Okay, first one, production of fertilizer such as ammonium sulfate and triple superphosphate. These are production of fertilizer. And then making battery acid. Battery acid is a dilute sulfuric acid. This also the uses of sulfuric acid. Then production of paint, plastic and detergents. Then concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating agent. Okay. Then use of sulfuric acid, drying gas. Drying gas means for the drying a gas, the relevant gas is bubbled through the concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. Understand? Then we are going to study about acetic acid, use of acetic acid. First one, processing food where a vinegar is used. Vinegar produced from the acetic acid, coagulation of rubber latex, then production of photographic films, then used in paper industry, then production of synthetic thread in textile industry. These are the acetic acid uses of acetic acid. Okay, next we are going to give some question about acid. Okay, write down this question. First question, what is an acid? Second one, describe strong acid and weak acid. Give example for the above types of acid. Give examples for the above types of acid. Okay, next question. How does sulfuric acid and nitric acid ionize in the aqueous medium? How does sulfuric acid and nitric acid ionize in the aqueous medium? Fourth question. Write two physical properties of acid. Fourth question. Write two physical properties of acid. Then the fifth question. Mention two chemical properties of acid. Mention two chemical properties of acid. Okay, next and last question. Mention the acid used for the following. Mention the acid used for the following. First one, in lead accumulators as the electrolyte. First one, in lead accumulator as the electrolyte. Second one, digest food in stomach. Third one, in making synthetic thread. Fourth one, in making chlorine for bleaching cloth. Okay. Now I'm going to give 5 minutes to answer them. Students, do this quickly. Please do this within 2 minutes. 2 minutes more. Okay. Please check your answer. First question is, what is an acid? The answer is, an acid is a compound that releases hydrogen ion in an aqueous media. First answer is, acid is a compound that releases hydrogen ion in an aqueous media. The important for the hydrogen ion and aqueous media. Okay. Then second question. What is second question? Describe strong acid and weak acid. Give example for the above type of acid. The answer is, the acid that release hydrogen ions by complete ionization in aqueous medium are strong acid. The acid that release hydrogen ion by complete ionization. Complete ionization is important. In aqueous medium are strong acid. Examples for strong acid: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Then weak acid means the acid which release hydrogen ions in an aqueous medium by incomplete or partial ionization. Incomplete or partial ionization is important for this answer, are called weak acid. Example for weak acids are acetic acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid. Okay, write it or correct them. Third question is, how does sulfuric acid and nitric acid ionize in the aqueous medium? Third question, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. The answer is, sulfuric acid, the symbol of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Aqueous is important. Then give 2H plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 release H plus ions and SO4 2 minus ions. Then, okay, HNO3, nitric acid in aqueous medium, H plus plus NO3 minus. Okay. Then fourth question is, write two physical properties of acid. Okay, correct it. The answer is sure taste, contact electricity, turn blue litmus into red. Sure taste, contact electricity, turn blue litmus into red. Okay. Okay. Then fifth question, mention two chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties. Please check your answer. First one, react with metals to form a salt and hydrogen. React with metals to form a salt and hydrogen. Acid react with carbonate or bicarbonate to evolve carbon dioxide. These are the chemical properties. Check your answers, correct them. Okay. Sixth question. Mention the acid used for the following. First, in the lead accumulators as the electrolyte. The answer is dilute sulfuric acid. Third one, digest food in stomach. Answer is dilute HCl. This is secrete in stomach. Okay. Then in making synthetic thread, answer is acetic acid. Okay. Fourth and final, in making chlorine for bleaching cloth, answer is HCl acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay. Then we are going to study about bases. Okay. Now we are going to study about the bases. First, what is base? A base is the chemical compound that increase the hydroxyl ion concentration of the aqueous solution. Acid H plus, base OH minus ion. The base is the chemical compound that increase the hydroxyl ion OH minus ion concentration of the aqueous media. Okay, the bases are classified into strong base and weak base. The strong base means the bases that are completely ionized in an aqueous solution are called strong base. In this strong base, complete ionization is important one. The base that completely ionized in an aqueous solution are called strong base. Examples for strong base: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide complete ionized to give Na plus ion and OH minus ion, hydroxyl ion. Potassium hydroxide to ionize to give a potassium plus or the K plus ion plus OH minus ion. Understand? Then we are going to study about weak bases. Weak bases means which are partially ionized in an aqueous solution are known as a weak base. This weak base partial ionization is important in weak base. Example for ammonium solution. Ammonium solution NH4OH. The ammonium solution nama ionize pandinamanda NH4 plus and OH minus are given. Okay, we understand the strong base and weak base. Then we are going to study about the properties of bases. Properties of bases, first one is they have to a slimy texture. Slimy means valuvalupu. The soap eduthamanda adu valuvalukra maari irukum. Aduthaan slimy texture. Okay, then bases react with acid to give a salt and water. Okay, for the example, NaOH is a base, H2SO4 is an acid. Then react with the Na2SO4 salt and H2O water. Okay, then another example for HCl plus NaOH, NaOH plus HCl, NaCl, the common salt and water. These are released. Okay, then the properties of base are bases turn red litmus to blue. Okay, blue litmus do not change. Okay, but then bases turn red litmus to blue. Of the bases, those that the reality dissolve in water are called alkyl. The bases la nalla water la dissolve ஆயிட்டு தண்டு சொன்னா அதை நாங்க alkalize ன்னு சொல்றோம். சரியா? Example, hydrochloric acid, NaOH, KOH are examples. Then we are going to study about uses of bases. First, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, the symbol of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. This is used for production of soap. Soap production, paper, artificial silk and paint. These are the juices. And then used in the laboratory as a strong base. Then refining the petroleum products. Okay. Then we are going to study about uses of magnesium hydroxide. The symbol of magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. Okay. The magnesium hydroxide suspension, milk of magnesia, is used as the antacid to relieve gastrics, acidity in stomach. Okay, இந்த உங்களுக்கு அல்சர் ஃபீலிங்கா இருக்கேக்க உங்களுக்கு டைஜின் ஸ்டப் குடிப்பீங்க, அது மில்க் ஆஃப் மெக்னீசியா. உங்களுக்கு டாக்டர் அந்த டைஜின் ஸ்டப் அது மில்க் ஆஃப் மெக்னீசியா. இந்த மில்க் ஆஃப் மெக்னீசியா என்ன செய்யுதுண்டா உங்களோட வயிற்றுல இருக்க அந்த அசிடிட்டி ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட்டை நியூட்ரலைஸ் செய்யும். சரியா? ஓகே. தென் பியூரிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் molasses in a sugar industries. Okay, understand? Okay. Now I am going to give some question related with the only bases. Okay. Write down this question and answer it within the 5 minutes. Okay. First one is, write it. What is the base? First question is, what is the base? Second one is, describe what are strong base and weak bases by giving example. Second question is, describe what are strong bases and weak bases by giving examples. Okay, third question is, what are alkalis? Give 2 examples for alkalis. Okay. Fourth question is, write a few uses of these bases, following bases. Write a few uses or write it 2 uses, a minimum 2 uses of the following bases. First one, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Second one is magnesium hydroxide. Okay, then fifth question, mention 2 physical properties of bases. Mention 2 physical properties of bases. Write it. Then sixth question, write a chemical properties of bases. Write a chemical properties of bases. Okay, do those activities within the 5 minutes. Okay, do quickly. Have you finished? Okay, Now I am going to give answers. Okay. First one, what is acid? Check your answer and write it. A base. First one is the base is the chemical compound that increase the hydroxyl ion OH minus ions concentration of an aqueous solution. The base is the chemical compound that increase the hydroxyl concentration of in an aqueous solution. Write it. Okay, correct it. Then second answer is second question, classify the strong acid and weak acid, describe them and give the example. So the answer is the bases that completely ionize in aqueous solution are called strong base. The completely ionization is important. Okay. Examples, sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Okay. The bases which partially ionize in the aqueous solution are known as weak bases. Here, the partial ionization is important. The example for ammonium hydroxide, ammonium solution, ammonium hydroxide. Then third question is what is alkali and give some example. The answer is the bases that dissolve properly in water are called alkalis. We already learned. So example NaOH, KOH, potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Okay. Then the question is fourth question. Write a few uses of these bases. First one, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, used as a refining petroleum product to make a soap. Refining petroleum products and to make a soap. Then MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide. The uses of magnesium hydroxide is used to remove acidity in stomach, to purify sugar. Okay. Next question, fifth question, mention two physical properties of bases. The physical properties of base are bitter, slippery feelings, pH value more than 7. These are the physical property. Chemical property of base are react with acid to form a salt and water. Chemical property of acid react with the acid to form a react with base to form a salt and water. Here the chemical property of base react with acid to form a salt and water. Okay, understand? Next. Okay. Okay, next we are, okay. Now we are going to study about indicators. Okay, identification of acid and bases by indicators. We learn about indicators in grade 6 to 10. For the indicator litmus, acid color red, base blue. Phenolphthalein, acid mediathula colorless, base mediathula pink. Methyl orange is indicated, acid mediathula red, base mediathula yellow. Okay. Students, do the activity 7.1 in your school textbook. Okay. Now we are going to study about salt. Salt form an acid react with bases to form a salt. For the example, acid or hydrochloric acid react with base sodium hydroxide and form a sodium chloride and water. Then hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide forming a sodium chloride. Is also NaOH plus HCl. Give a NaCl is a salt, common salt. நீங்க வீட்ல ஜூஸ் பண்ற உப்பு அதான் common salt என்றோம், அதான் sodium chloride and water. Then salt, the hydrochloric acid react with potassium hydroxide from potassium chloride. Potassium hydroxide react with the hydrochloric acid to form a potassium chloride and water. Potassium chloride is also salt. The characteristics of salt, salt are crystalline and solid compound. நீங்க அந்த வீட்ல வச்சுக்கிற உப்பு எடுத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கிறிஸ்டலைனா இருக்கும், அது solid compound-ஆ இருக்கும். அது அந்த உப்பு எடுத்து வச்சு நீங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணினாலே ஓகே. Most of the salt dissolve in water. நீங்க வச்சுக்கிற உப்பு எடுத்தா அது நல்லா டிசால்வ் ஆகும் வாட்டர்ல. அது நீங்க அந்த வீட்ல யூஸ் பண்ற கரி உப்பு அதான் sodium chloride. Most of the salt dissolve in water. These are then generally salt have a high melting point and boiling point. These are the characteristics of salt. Okay. Now we are going to study about juices of salt. First one, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, symbol of sodium chloride, NaCl. இதுதான் உங்களோட அந்த கரையுப்பு. The juices of sodium chloride used to flavor food during their cooking or otherwise. Then used as a food preservative. உங்களுக்கு அந்த உப்பு கருவாடு போடுற இப்படியானதுகள் அதுகளுக்கு preservative-ஆ sodium chloride யூஸ் பண்ற. Used to produce chemicals such as the chlorine and hydrochloric acid to produce sodium hydroxide. These are the use of sodium chloride, and make a soap to also used in churning. Then we are going to study about copper sulfate. Use of copper sulfate used as the fungicide in agriculture. Agriculture fungicide use pandra. Then used in making chemical reagent to make a Benedict solution and filling solution. Then used in electroplating. Then used in paint industry. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about neutralization. Neutralization is the combination of H plus ion released by an acid with OH minus ion released by the base to combine to form a salt and water. These are the neutralization, the meaning of neutralization. Okay, the application of acid-base neutralization reaction. First one, the milk of magnesia or such an antacid is used to neutralize the acidity in the stomach. உங்களோட வயிற்றுல அந்த அல்சர் ஏற்படைக்க குடிக்கிற அந்த மெக்னீசியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடு உங்களுக்கு நியூட்ரலைஸ் ஆகித்தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த அல்சர் உடனே குடிச்சோன்னு அந்த எரிவுத்தன்மை அதுகள் இல்லாம போறதுக்கான காரணம் இந்த மில்க் ஆஃப் மேக்னீசியா, அதாவது டைஜெஸ்டப்ல இருக்கு. அந்த மில்க் ஆஃப் மேக்னீசியாவை நம்ம ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட்டுக்கு ஆட் பண்றதால இப்படி வருது. At the basic substance such as ash and quicklime are added to soil to reduce soil acidity. Soil acidity நம்ம minimize பண்ணணும்னா அதுக்கு quicklime ash அந்த வீட்ல அம்மா சமைக்கிற அந்த சாம்பல் இருக்குல்ல அதை கொண்டு வந்து ஆட் பண்ணியோ இல்ல quicklime ஆட் பண்ணினாலோ அந்த மண்ணுண்ட acidity குறைகிறதால தாவரங்கள் வளரக்கூடிய மாதிரி இருக்கும். acidity குறைக்கும். அடுத்த bee sting is a painful because of the acidic poisonous. Bee sting and poisonous is a acidic. அப்ப நாம அதை நியூட்ரல் ஆக்கணும்னு சொன்னா applying a weak bases substance such as a baking soda or calcium carbonate on the place of the string paint is relieved. So bee string உங்களுக்கு கடிச்சதண்டா bees கடிச்சதண்டா அதுக்கு நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும்டா கால்சியம் கார்பனேட் அந்த சுண்ணாம்பு பூசினீங்கடா அதோட பெயினை கொஞ்சம் குறைக்கும் என்ன நியூட்ரலைஸ் ஆகும். Bee string is a basic. So application of weak dilute acid or lime juice as a vinegar on the place on string reduce the venom the nature as the pain. Wasp கடிச்சதண்டா நீங்க அந்த இடத்துல புளி போடலாம். வீட்ல சமைக்கிறத வச்சு அந்த புளி எடுத்து போறது என்னன்னா wasp string பேஸா இருக்குது. இந்த புளி அசிடிட்டியா இருக்கு. அதனால அது நியூட்ரலைஸ் ஆகும். Okay, understand? Then do the following activity. Please turn your book and do this. Do 2 questions quickly. Okay. Do on your book. Okay, now time is gone. So I'm going to give answers. Please watch him. Okay, first one. Sodium hydroxide and dash acid react to form sodium chloride and water. Okay, react to form sodium chloride and water. So sodium hydroxide and dash acid to form a sodium chloride and water. Hydrochloric acid to form a water. Then okay, second question. Okay, calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid react to liberating which gas? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Third one, potassium hydroxide KOH and sulfuric acid H2SO4 react to form potassium sulfate and water. Next, dash acid and dash hydroxide react giving a magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate andabadiya magnesium nitrate varapadiya neenga enna podonumna which acid? HNO3 and MgOH twice react with the magnesium hydroxide and sulfuric acid react to form a magnesium nitrate and water. Okay, dash acid react with the magnesium liberating gas and forming the salt. Hydrochloric acid react with the magnesium liberating hydrogen gas and forming the magnesium chloride. Okay, the second question, fill in the blanks with a solution selected from the following list of the solution. H2SO4 aqueous, HCl aqueous, NH3 aqueous mean NH4OH, H2O liquid, CaOH twice, CH3COOH. First question, dash and dash turn red litmus to blue. Red litmus blue மாற்றணும்டா அது base. இதுல examples for base calcium hydroxide CaOH twice and NH3 aqueous. NH3 aqueous means NH3OH are the base turn red litmus blue. Second question, dash and dash act as the strong acid. Here hydrochloric acid H2SO4 as a strong acid. Third, in dash and dash, pH is greater than 7. pH greater than 7 means acid. Acid, pH greater than acidic pH level less than 7, basic greater than 7. pH greater than 7 bases are okay, calcium hydroxide and NH3 aqueous. Then next question, vinegar used at the home is diluted CH3COOH. Acetic acid dilute pannithan vinegar form pandra. Okay, then next question, dash causes burns in the skin when spoiled or HCl. Calcium sulfate salt is formed by the reaction between calcium sulfate salt is formed by the reaction between calcium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. Okay, understand? Okay, check your answers. Okay, now I am going to give some question. Please write it. Describe neutralization. Please write it. Describe neutralization. Second one, write 3 application of acid base neutralization reaction. Write 3 application of acid base neutralization reaction. Next question, write the uses of following salt. First one, sodium chloride. Second one, copper sulfate, C2SO4. Next question, mention 2 indicators. TO2 illa TWO2. Mention 2 indicators. Okay. Do this in within 2 minutes. Okay, have you finished? The time is going. Oh, please do this quickly. Okay, now I am going to give answers. Okay, first one, what is neutralization? Okay, neutralization is the combination of hydrogen ion released by the acid. Acid le hydrogen ion, hydroxyl ion, OH minus ion released by the base to form a water molecule. Neutralization is the combination of hydrogen ion released by the acid with hydroxyl ion, OH minus ion released by the bases to form a water molecule. This the answer is okay. Then second question is write 3 application of acid-base neutralization reaction? The answer is the first one, the milk of magnesia or such as an antacid is used to neutralize the acidity in the stomach. Okay, correct the answer. Check your answers. Okay, milk of magnesia or such an antacid is used to neutralize the acidity in the stomach. Okay, then basic substance such as also quicklime are added to the soil to reduce the soil acidity. Okay, next juice is web string is a basic application of weak diluted acid or such as the lime juice or the vinegar on the place of string reduce the venom, neutralize the pain. Okay, next question, sodium juices of sodium chloride. Answer is used to flavor food during their preparation. Then used as the food preservative. Already learned about. So second question answer, copper sulfate. Juices of copper sulfate are used in electroplating, used in paint industries. Okay, correct them. Okay. Okay, acid base unit are closed.